This GITEX means a lot for NetApp because first thing, it's really to connect or to reconnect in person with our partners and our customers because we missed this so much over the last 2 years. It means as well to us to share with them the latest innovation from NetApp and what we have for them to help them really thrive no matter what is the situation. We might not know what's going to be next in this crazy world, in this so fast world. It's very dynamic. There is only one thing, is that we really need to be the vendor that has the right innovation to provide the right solutions for customers and accordingly for our partners. We take really very good initiatives to the market, and within GITEX, every year we have lots of new innovations to share with our customers and our partners, and we're taking the opportunity today to do the same, but in person and not anymore virtual. As I said, this year it's so special. People, they want to see each other, to connect again, but this year we understood more over the last years that digital transformation is again and again on top of their priorities, our customers' priorities, and with what we're providing to these customers to help them with this digital transformation, how they can use their data to provide customer experience, a unique one, and not only to the customers today, but as well to their employees. So today, thinking of how you use your data, I think you have to visit GITEX because data is at the core of everything. Not only with NetApp, I invite them to check as well how with NetApp and its alliances, we can provide this unique experience to our customers and to our partners. You know, with AI, I would encourage our partners and our customers to start from the application layer. We spoke about customer experience and how we make it better for our customers. When you have an application and you want to make things fast, you want to make things more agile and flexible that can scale as well, you have to think of your data. And then what we do, we analyze this data and we provide to our customers the ease of managing these data to help them thrive and doing even better business and provide the customer experience. So with NVIDIA specifically, as our alliance partner, we have the RIDE and Cisco, we have something called ONTAP AI, which help this journey to our customers and our partners to be ready to analyze their data and use it in the right way. But guess what? On top of that, AI for us is not just an AI use case that we run every now and then, but it is as well connected to the cloud. And it will help the customer not only to analyze his data, but to know which data is cold, which data is hot, and where he needs to archive this data as well. So for us, the journey of AI, it is a 360-degree. It starts from the application for the end users, but it will drill down all the way to backing up, archiving your data, and have a seamless solution with one spot, which what we call Cloud Manager, that help the customer open one sheet and see his platform or his infrastructure, how it's working. So yes, it is data again and again at the core of all our discussion.